Hello, everyone. Welcome to MYH English, your destination for learning English in a simple and practical way. If you want to speak English confidently in your daily life, you're in the right place. In this video, you'll learn useful English sentences that native and fluent speakers use every day. Here's how to practice. First, listen carefully. Then, repeat the English sentence aloud. Practice these sentences every day until they become natural. Don't worry if you're a beginner. Learn one sentence at a time, and you'll improve day by day. Let's begin our English speaking journey together. Greetings. 50 daily use English sentences. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. How are you? I am fine. How are you doing? I'm doing great. Nice to meet you. Nice to see you again. Welcome. Have a nice day. How was your day? How are you today? I'm happy to see you. Long time no see. What's going on? What's new? How's everything? What's your name? My name is Rahul. Where are you from? I am from India. It's a pleasure to meet you. See you later. See you soon. Talk to you later. Take care. Stay safe. Goodbye. Bye. See you again. Have a safe trip. Have a wonderful day. Have a great week. Best wishes. It was nice talking to you. We'll stay in touch. You are very kind. Thank you. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Please come in. Please have a seat. Have a blessed day. God bless you. Get well soon. Keep in touch. Keep learning and keep smiling. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to MYH English and continue practicing English with us every day.